Setting up payments in Teachable requires connecting payment processors to handle transactions from your students. As of 2025, Stripe is the primary and recommended payment method for most creators. To begin setup, navigate to your Teachable dashboard and locate the Payment Settings section. This is where you'll configure all payment processing options for your courses. In the payment settings, you can connect your existing Stripe account or create a new one directly through Teachable. The platform will guide you through the connection process securely. After connecting Stripe, configure your payout schedule and bank account details. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly payouts, depending on your cash flow needs. While Stripe is the primary option, you can also add PayPal as a secondary payment method. This is particularly useful for regions where Stripe isn't available or for customers who prefer PayPal. To configure PayPal, add it as a secondary payment option in your settings and set up automatic transfers to your bank account. This ensures seamless fund management across both payment processors. With both Stripe and PayPal configured, your Teachable payment system is ready to accept payments from students worldwide. The dual processor setup provides flexibility and ensures maximum payment success rates. Teachable's payment infrastructure is built around two main processors. Stripe serves as the primary payment processor, offering robust features and global coverage. PayPal serves as a secondary option, particularly useful for regions where Stripe isn't available or for customers who prefer PayPal checkout. Before processing payments, your Teachable account must be fully verified. This includes completing account verification, providing tax information, and submitting business details. Understanding transaction fees is crucial for your revenue planning. Fees include Teachable's platform fee plus payment processor fees, typically 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for Stripe. Teachable's payment system includes 5 key components that work together to provide a complete payment solution for course creators. Several technical requirements must be met for secure payment processing. SSL certification ensures secure transactions, while KYC compliance verifies your identity. KYC compliance requires identity verification and business documentation. You'll also need a verified bank account for receiving payouts from your course sales. With these payment considerations in place, you'll have a robust foundation for processing course payments and managing your revenue through Teachable.